up, everybody? Welcome back to High on Octane. Today I'm going to be installing a steering wheel. I think get the steering all freed up because it was all locked up before. So I got that steering shaft out that was stuck in there. And what was going on, it was all rusted up, so it just rusted in that little sleeve in there. So it was stuck in there, so I had to pound it out. So basically what this is the plate for the steering wheel to mount onto, but as you can see, the steering wheel that I want to put on there, the holes don't quite match up, as you can see. So I'm just going to center it in there, make them holes just a little bit bigger, I think, and throw some bolts in there. That'll be that part. And then come over here with this. I'm gonna get that off, get rid of this deal, get a piece of flat strap, same spot, weld it up, drill a couple holes. I'm gonna stick my steering shaft through these heims. Then it'll be really free. I'll be able to turn wherever and whenever. But first, I think I'm gonna get this welded up so it doesn't come off. This kind of presses on, and I just got done hammering it on. So I'm gonna throw a bead of weld in there, grind it flat, so I know that thing will never come off ever again. So I'm gonna get that done, get a piece of flat strap, break off that tube, get started. I don't know if it's the right metal, but it's working. It's really just something to keep that plate from coming off, you know? I'm gonna do a couple on the bottom, just like 2 tacks. There. In theory, that thing shouldn't go anywhere now. Got her kind of cleaned up. I mean, it's not the prettiest thing, but hey, it'll work. I need to mark my steering wheel holes. Alright, got a plan. Just gonna take a drill bit, just make these holes bigger. Okay, so I got some marks so you can see how far off, or how much bigger I guess that steering wheel is compared to this one. So I'm just going to take that drill bit, a big enough drill bit like this, hopefully. And by the looks of it, it should be pretty close, enough to get a bolt in there at least. So I'm going to start off with this size, test it, keep going. This should work though. It's not working as well as I thought it would. I think this drill bit has seen better days. There we go. A little bit big, but that's okay. All I'm doing is steering the car with it. Nothing important or anything. All right. Got some bigger holes in there now. Those will work. I'm gonna get some bolts on there. Start working on the cart part. Give me some bolts. Boom. Got a steering wheel mounted on my shaft. And good news, I get to weld this new sprocket onto my other one. Because the guy doesn't want it back, so I'm going to weld it to it. And that'll be that. I'll have a sprocket, and then I just need to get the motor done and build some mounts for the motor, and then it's about done. I'm going to cut this old tubing off for the old steering shaft and get my flat jack in there. Got it. Here's the old steering sleeve, I guess. Super old, there's a lot of rust inside of it, so we'll just get rid of that. Okay, I got that one piece all cleaned up. Just gonna weld it in there quick and pretty much just cut it to length of where I need it. Alrighty, got it tacked in. I'm gonna utilize that hole there. This is probably gonna get cut off right at the end of that hole, and my other heim might just go in right there, what I'm guessing. But yep, I'm just gonna finish up welding that up and get those heims in and get the steering working in this bad boy. Alright. It's welded in there. Need the steering wheel in here now. Got the steering wheel in. Check that out, man. I mean, it's a little not straight, but that's okay. Yeah, it'll work. Alright, I got my heims in there all tight where I want them. So now, just gotta hook up the steering. Alright, steering wheel is officially in. And check this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Turns like butter. Alright, I think now I'm gonna get this socket welded on. I'm gonna take these, go get them cleaned up. Mainly just the inside of this one, so I can get a good weld in there. I got all cleaned up, clean a flat surface on that, weld that together, get my axle put back together. So I'm gonna go clean those up and I'll be right back. Got the area I needed cleaned, so I get a good clean weld on this. So basically, got a nice bare metal there now to weld in there. Create my own sprocket. Okay, got her tacked up. Now I'm just gonna do the old 2-inch bead trick so I don't warp these things. Do a bead on the front, then do a little bead on the back, then on the side, then on the side, and then continue on. Alrighty, here she is all welded up. I'm just gonna kind of let that cool a little bit, just because it's a little hot still. Put this axle back together and get that back at the car. Alright, on to the cart. I gotta cut my frame right here because my sprocket runs into it. So something's gonna have to change there, but I'll have to figure that out later. Dang, that sucks. Oh well. Alright guys, got the axle back in after a minor setback. My sprocket is too big, so I had to cut the frame for it to fit. So I'm gonna have to build some kind of something there. But sprocket's on, steering wheel's in. It's starting to come together real nice. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. I think tomorrow I'm going to figure something out for that sprocket. And then get my seat mounted. And then start doing my shifter and handbrake assembly. And get that all welded in since I'm going to be welding some more stuff now. But, yeah, that'll be all in the next video. So hit that like button, subscribe for some more updates on the Yamacart here. Since it's plugging along slowly, but motor's coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, catch me on the next video, guys. I'll see you guys then, and take care, guys.